one more thing to recall that we've gone through during our lecture is that if we were to find the, let's say, the argument of z1 over z2, this is just the same as the argument of z1 minus the argument of z2, right? And we were to talk about the finding the argument, the modulus of z1 over z2. This is just the same, so the quotient of the modulus is just as the modulus of the quotient. The quotient of the modulus is the same as the modulus of the quotient. Okay, and with that, right, when we look at part D, okay, part D requires us to find the modulus argument of the following complex number. So if you remember, this part D, right, the complex numbers, right, this is, let's say I call it Z1 and Z2, right, they're actually similar to your questions earlier on from part C, right? So from part C, we can actually take away that the argument of -1 minus I, if we recall, right, it was a -3 pi over 4, right? And the modulus of -1 minus I is equals to square root 2. Okay, from part C as well, right? -1 plus square root 3i, the argument of -1 plus square root 3i. Okay, I hope you can do this easy, like even if we don't use part C. It's just 2, it's just 2 pi over 3, and the magnitude of -1 plus square root 3i, the modulus is equals to 2. Okay, and with that, if we are going to find combining these two, so remember this actually is the numerator for part D. This is the numerator for part D. This is the denominator for part D. So we want to find the argument of -1. Notice the similarity, plus square root 3i over -1 minus I. And using this idea, we just subtract the difference between the two arguments. This will just be -3 pi over 4. Right. Sorry, should be the other way around. Okay, so it should be 2 pi over 3, because this is the numerator, right? So it should be 2 pi over 3. Okay, subtracting -3 pi over 4. So subtracting -3 pi over 4. Okay, and you obtain your answer to be 17/12 over pi. I recall this is not the principal argument. Okay, the principal argument has to be between pi and negative pi. Right, so over here what we do is we say actually this what we do is just minus 2 pi. Alright, and this actually is equivalent to -7 pi over 12. Okay, so I hope you are able to convert the argument into a principal argument form. And with that, also using this idea, alright, we can say that the modulus of -1 plus square root 3i is the same as the modulus of which will turn out to be 2 over square root 2, right? Which will just be square root 2. And this is your modulus for part D. This is your argument for part D. And with that, quickly, in the exponential form, for your BMQ 2D, right? Your answer in the exponential form is just square root 2 e to the power of I -7 pi over 12, right? And quickly converting it to the polar form, z will be equals to r cos theta plus I sine theta. Okay, and with that we are done.